Morning guys, welcome to another video of Life with Kim in Jamaica. So this morning guys, I'm going to be working at Somerset Falls, so stay tuned guys for some adventure.
Compression now got jump so much money.
Stay tuned on our journey guys. Why are you looking at me? I know my past na maybe the far. Just case guys. Smiling, we get to the bottom of the story, we know why. We get to the bottom of the story, you will know why.
Why the bottom of the story?
I'm sure know why. I show the world my journey to Somerset Falls, but they know where to find it coming from Port Antonio. Plastic car come think I rain, you know. This as we reach. Oh, cause me fool. Me I get paid for that. Just tell me I get paid for that.
Yeah man, do it again.
Said I'm getting paid to get wet in the rain. Are you crazy? Welcome to Somerset, guys. But my door never locks. Bob Somali, he make me drop out. Why? When you call me, I'll tell you the purpose of it. When you call me, first, I don't want that. Later. So guys, we just arrived at Somerset Falls. So I'm just going to a little tour in the early before the people them come. and then give you a scene after we start getting customers today. So guys, welcome to our entrance. Hope you guys enjoy the view. When you guys come to Jamaica, you can come on down, or from any other else parish, come and visit Somerset Fall, guys. Guys, we have a park here. We talk and dance, you don't know. Hi, morning. Guys, we have the dining area, we have the kitchen over there, pool area, the slides. Morning. Guys, their bathroom facility is unique. Nice settings, guys. We have some pigeons. Hey, what's up? We have some pigeons and rabbits over here, guys. Guys, it's nice. Clean, fresh, just wipe, guys. Changing room and all of that. There's a bar here, guys. I'm not sure if I'll be reaching the falls, guys, because the falls is a long walk and I have some serious knee problems, guys. I don't think I want to go up that far alone at this point. It is pretty nice here in Port Antonio, guys. You need to come on down and visit. Tell us what you think. So guys, the falls is all the way up there. There's a long walk up there, guys. And this is the river right here. So guys, you can swim in this area. So guys, the falls is all the way up that side. So I'm not sure I want to go that far. Alright guys, here's the park with a lot of people. So guys, when you're ready to come on down, it's gonna be a lot of fun and entertainment. Yes guys, so the park is a bit busy, but I'm currently on the outskirts. Just a little preview of the slide. Yeah guys, I hope you like the preview of Somerset Falls guys. Please come on down when you come to Jamaica or you come to Port Antonio. It's a nice place to be. I've been here before guys, not only working but I've been here before, so you guys can come on down, check it out, tell us what you think. Have a blessed day. Peace. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe. Blessings.